To hear that this much money was spent on something that is not a necessity, then that's a tough pill to swallow.
Also tonight, Katu is on your side asking TriMet about a $75,000 event it threw for employees last month, while at the same time warning riders about cuts to service due to budget shortfalls. K2's Vasily Varlamos live in Tigard with the story. Vasily, TriMet says it won't be spending like this in the future.
Yes, Steve, a spokesperson for TriMet said that the agency will not be holding events like these for the foreseeable future due to these budget constraints. At the same time TriMet was warning riders about cuts to services amid a budget shortfall, the transit agency spent nearly $100,000 on an employee appreciation event and a trip to the East Coast. Public records obtained by K2 show TriMet spent about $75,000 on a family fun day at the Oregon Zoo in September. It spent about $24,000 on a national transportation conference in Boston. An agency spokesperson declined a request for an on-camera interview, but did provide a lengthy statement explaining its spending, saying the agency planned an entire week of employee appreciation events, but only held the one due to budget constraints. The agency also said down payments and expenses had already been paid before the extent of the budget cuts came into focus. It said that TriMet will not be holding any more events like this until its budget is in a better place. According to TriMet, 3,200 people attended the event at the zoo. If you break down the cost individually, it amounts to about $23 per person. Riders I spoke to today say they can understand why the agency held an event like this for drivers who face tough working conditions every day.
The drivers do a lot of work these days, especially with the government budgets being cut and all that. I believe they should be recognized for their hard work.
But Oregon House Republican leader Lucetta Elmer is taking issue with the use of taxpayer dollars, saying agencies need to be more accountable with their spending on, quote, non-essential events.
When that is just taxpayer dollars, and that's directly taking away from people that can ride the bus, it's just challenging.
Now, TriMet is holding 3 open houses this week to hear from riders about service cuts. One already happened, the other is currently going on in Milwaukee until 7, and the third is set for tomorrow at Fairview City Hall in Fairview from 5 to 7. Live in Tigard, Vasily Varlamos, K2 News.
Vasily.